Okay, I've recently found out by looking on the fracking map and looking on the internet that there is fracking going on in the area which I live in Saline, Michigan, and I have a well for my drinking water, and I'm supposed to be able to drink it, and I found out that if I take a lighter to the water, it lights on fire. So we're going to take a look. Whoa! That kind of hurts my finger. Ah! Holy shit. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. You get the idea? Yeah. And I've been drinking this water for, 2 years now. And I always wondered why the faucet made these funny sounds when it runs. That's gas coming out.